All right, so for part two, we're in part two. We can write that at the top. Part two notes for section 1.3. We're going to look at writing an equation for story problems. So if we look at this first example, and I would say pause it right now, write it down, and then play it again so you can follow along with me. All right, now that you wrote it down, if tickets cost $6, you have $37, how many tickets can you buy? So we're going to let T represent the number of tickets we can buy. So we're going to write an equation. T is the number of tickets we want to buy. We don't know that yet, so we're going to use a variable, T, for tickets. Equals, well, I have 37 total dollars, and each ticket is $6. I'm going to divide my total $37 into each individual $6 a ticket. So this is 37 totals per ticket. Each ticket is $6. So I'm going to divide what I got by the 6, and let's see what we get. Put in the calculator, 37 divided by 6. I get 6.16 repeating. So that means with my money, or our money, you can buy 6 tickets in total. All right? And the thing is I only have 16 cents left over. Well, that 16 cents isn't going to buy a ticket. So I got to round down. So when you buy, I want you to round down in your story problems. All right? So let's go ahead and do some highlighting. This is a nice reminder that when you buy, oh, I highlighted the wrong thing. Let's screw it down right there. When you buy, and we'll do this pink. When you buy, I want you to round down. All right, round down. And if we look here, this right here is my equation that we created. And it's an equation because it has an equal sign. If you need to do any writing, go ahead and pause now. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me or any helpers in the room. Thank you. Now, our last example that we're going to be writing today is going to deal with Sally. Sally is a scout, and she sells Samoas for $4 a box. So if I have $73, how many boxes must she sell? Oh no, how many boxes must she sell to make $73? So she's trying to sell here. We're not buying anymore. So she wants to make that $73. So since we're talking about boxes, we're going to use B, the variable B, to represent the number of boxes. All right? So I'm going to go ahead and write that down. B, all right? And what's the total amount of money she's going to want to make? All right? At least that she's going to want to make. 73. And how much is it per box? Well, the thing is per box divide is 4. So we're going to divide that $73 by the $4 it is per box. All right? So when we put that in the calculator, 73 divided by 4, we get 18.25. Well, she can't sell a quarter of a box to make her $73. So we have to round this up. She must sell 19 boxes to get past that 73. She can't sell a quarter of a box, just a portion of cookies. So she must sell 19 boxes. So when you sell when you sell, I want you to round up. All right? So just highlight that so you remember. When you sell, I want you to round up. All right? And our final answer was 19 boxes after we rounded up. And again, our equation is B equals 73 over 4. And we know that this is an equation because there's an equal sign. All right? So let's talk about real quick what would happen if I wrote 18 times the $4 a box. If we rounded down instead, I would have got $72. Whereas if I round up to that total 19 times $4 a box, I get 76. So she gets past her 73. So this is not enough. 72 is not enough. All right, not enough. So by rounding up, she makes at least, she made at least 73 bucks. All right. So that's why we got to round up so she can get past 73 or more. Okay. Great. Now you're ready for the sheet. I'm going to go through part 3. I'm going to go through some more notes with you. You practice with me, and then I'm going to let you practice individually and so on. All right. I hope this helps. Please rewatch if you want to watch any piece again. Make sure you wrote down everything that I have. All right. Take care.